What do I want to eat? I came up with something. I want waffles. Delicious homemade waffles with cream and strawberries. Waffles, Granny Betty is ready to knead the dough. Simple homemade waffles? No problem. Ready to fight? Yum, yum. What's wrong? We have a culinary challenge? Oh, right. Yeah, but we need to feed baby Emma, not you, Susie. My dear Emma asked for waffles and Grandma will cook them right now. I'll knead the dough. I'll pour more flour. I'll break an egg. Lots of sugar. And the freshest milk. And now I will shake everything properly with the whisk. The dough should be mixed well so there are no lumps. What are you looking at, Rose? Her dough is so thick. But mine is just perfect consistency. It can easily be poured into plates. Add a drop of food coloring to each and knead the dough. And now I'll get multicolored dough from which I will make rainbow waffles. These will be the best waffles. Alright. Yeah, we'll see who's gonna win. Oh, you've already made the dough? What should I do? I came up with something. I'll make Nutella dough. Add flour and milk directly into the jar and knead. The chocolate dough is ready. And now I can pour it into a waffle iron. A beautiful brown waffle will come out of it. The only thing left is to wait. Wow, what are they doing there? So interesting. I'll pour layers of multicolored dough into a waffle iron. Carefully so the colors won't mix. I will get rainbow waffles in the shape of hearts. Beautiful and delicious. In any dish, the main thing is serving. I'll put colored waffles on a skewer, dip them in tips and chocolate, then in colored sprinkles. I'll lay it out beautifully on a plate and voila! Delicious and beautiful waffles are ready. Yeah, maybe Grandma didn't cook such beautiful waffles, but Grandma knows what to add to them. You need to thoroughly pour maple syrup over the waffles, then add a mash of chocolate sauce, sprinkle powdered sugar on top, and add strawberries. Now the perfect waffles are ready. I'm better anyway. Oh, what should I decorate the waffles with? Yeah, I came up with something. Decorate waffles with Skittles candies. So they will also be multicolored. And very tasty. Well, now everything's ready. You can try dishes. Where should I start? I'll try these waffles. They look very appetizing. Also with strawberries, as I wanted. Just melts in my mouth. I'll just lick my fingers off. Which ones to try next? These rainbow hearts look unusual. I've never seen such waffles before. I'll try both waffles at once. I like it very much. Wow, this waffle is so unusual. I'll try it. It wasn't easy to take a bite, but the taste is wonderful. Is that a Nutella waffle? What should I choose? It's so hard to decide. All waffles are very good. So delicious. Emma, did you like my waffles, baby? Grandma, I liked everything, and now I've eaten too much. Help! We overfed her. Well, congratulations to all the participants. This round is a tie. And now I want a cocoa with marshmallows. Hey, wake up! Cocoa? Yes, baby sister. Cocoa? Really? Okay. I love cocoa too. Hey, Grandma, wake up! I'll feed everyone. Good morning, Grandma. Rise and shine. What? Does my granddaughter want cocoa? Now Grandma will cook it. Drink milk, kids. Now let's take some Nutella. First, Grandma will try it herself. Delicious. I'll scoop up more pasta and add it to the warm milk. Now we need to mix everything well. It's boiling. Do you feel what a wonderful fragrance it has? How good it smells. I'll do it too. I'll take the milk. Only for some reason it doesn't open. Ow! I'm all wet! The main thing is that there is still milk left, and I can make cocoa for my sister. And now I'll add some chocolates. I'll lay them out in rows, like this. Oh, you little chocolate, did you think you'd leave me? No, I'll cook you too. The only thing left is to tamp everything down. Susie, what are you… Oh, fine. I'll prepare an exquisite dessert, a chocolate bomb. Yeah. Pour the sauce into the molds in the form of hemispheres. Then I will evenly distribute it with a spoon on the sides of the mold. I'll put them to cool, and after a while, I'll get the finished hemispheres. The only thing left is to fill them with stuffing and connect. I will use cocoa powder as a filling. Wow. I'll put a teaspoon of cocoa in each half. Then I'll take a handful of marshmallows and put them on top. The only thing left is to cover the second half, and the bombs are ready. The final touches… I'll pour chocolate sauce on the bombs and sprinkle with coconut chips. Beauty. The bombs should be served with a glass of warm milk. A masterpiece. And what are you cooking, big deal? Grandma turned out no worse. I'll pour cocoa into a cup and put marshmallows on top. It will melt from the hot cocoa. What a fragrance. And of course, I'll add Oreo chocolate cookies. After all, my granddaughter loves to drink cocoa with chocolate cookies. Is that how drinks are served? What a nightmare! Help! Fire! I did it. This is a new recipe. I just came up with it. Here, everything is ready. Susie. You shouldn't be allowed to the stove. Hooray! I can finally try. What is it? It smells like something burned. I'll try a piece. It tastes just awful. This should be thrown out. What should I try now? My favorite Oreos. Grandma knows that I like to drink cocoa with Oreo cookies. You can soak cookies in cocoa, and it will become soft and will melt in your mouth. Very tasty. Cocoa also has a wonderful taste. Grandma, you did well. You cooked the way I love it. What a strange chocolate ball. I haven't tried this yet. Probably you need to pour milk on it. Wow, it's melting. And there are marshmallows inside. Wow, I'll taste it now. Very delicious. I like it. I choose this drink. I cooked it. I won. It was obvious. Big deal. That's a snob. Oh, my dear granddaughter. And now I want to eat French fries from McDonald's. Whoa, I know how to cook it. Yeah, nothing complicated again. What? No, it's a very harmful dish. It's better to eat carrots. Now I'm going to cook my granddaughter some healthy carrot sticks. I'll cut the carrots with stripes. That's it. You can tell the difference from French fries anyway. But carrot sticks are much more healthy. Here, Susie, eat a piece. Oh, Grandma, I won't. Eat your own carrots. Well, as you know, and I like it so much. This potato doesn't look like French fries. So how do I cook it then? I'll try to clean it first. That's it. I'll cut off and peel from the sides. Now I'll take the potato slicer. With it, I can cut potatoes into even pieces. That's it. What beautiful sticks I got. Now they need to be fried. It will take a lot of oil to make a deep fryer for frying. Let's pour the oil. And fire harder. Oh, the oil is burning! Help! What are you yelling at, Susie? It's not even hot enough. What's all the fuss about? I don't even know. Grandma, aren't you hot? Everything is going to burn down here. Susie, make the fire smaller. Everything has to be taut. Here, I'll make curly potatoes and I will serve it on the skewer. Even the most ordinary dish can be made exquisite due to an unusual presentation. Perfect as always. That's it. I'll pierce the spirals with the skewer. Beauty. I'm very scared. I'll throw in the potatoes. Ah, Grandma, save me! Susie, don't worry. You'd better eat a carrot, right? No. Okay, Grandma will eat it herself. I wonder if it's fried. It seems so. Whoa, I did it! I'll put everything in a pack and add ketchup. Emma will definitely like this. Ugh, young people, it would be better to eat my carrots here. Only vitamins, delicious and healthy. I think the oil is hot. You can fry potatoes now. I will serve it with an exquisite French truffle sauce. Here, everything is ready. Emma, you can try it now. Where should I start? Wow, what an unusual potato. I've never tried this before. I'll add sauce to it. It looks so delicious. It's so crunchy and juicy. Very tasty. I like these potatoes. And what is this? What a strange orange color. It looks like French fries. And the taste? Ew, it's carrot. I hate carrots. I won't eat it. Whoa, did someone bring potatoes from McDonald's? Potatoes with ketchup are the perfect combination. I'll add a little directly to the pack and mix it up. Now you can try it. Yummy. You can't tell the difference from McDonald's fries. I choose this one. Hooray! This is my potato. I won. I'm good. You lost. And I won.
I have a really simple task for you. Make me some scrambled eggs. Well, that's not complicated. Easy peasy. I'm gonna make a real gourmet dish. Hey, Grandma, stop sleeping. The challenge has already started. We need to make scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs? Why, thank you, young lady. Well, it's time to start. I'll need that oil too, Mary. Sure. You can't have scrambled eggs without oil, right? Hey, why isn't it pouring? Stupid bottle. I didn't need to get that much oil. Oops. Ted, now you take an egg, which you'll break into the frying pan. It's very simple. Yeah! Nothing could be easier. Here we go! And one more! Well, that was almost right. These guys are useless. I can definitely beat them. Cooking's my thing. Scrambled eggs are so easy too. But I'm gonna make these a little more fun. First, I'm gonna separate the yolk from the whites. Then, I'm gonna mix up the whites until they become nice and foamy. Why is she doing all that? I have no idea. Turned out great! Now let's mix up the yolks. And pour them right into the pan. Here they go. Those are some weird scrambled eggs. Why'd you separate them? Because this makes the eggs a lot more fancier. Just look how fancy my dish looks now. Very. But I think all you need is salt and pepper to give scrambled eggs a little extra kick. Ah! Ted! What's wrong? It's so hot! Why is it hissing like that? What's happening? Help! I think my scrambled egg wants to kill me. Maybe it's because you should have turned the stove off a long time ago. You burnt them all. Oh no! That's not what was supposed to happen. Well, maybe I can make it taste better with some whipped cream. Whipped cream goes good on everything, right? Okay, I'm ready. I have everything ready too. Wow. Mary, you did something really unusual. Do you mind if I touch it? Hands off! This is a real delicacy. All right, Kate, it's your choice. I don't even know where to start. What's this black scrambled egg thing with white on top? I can't even cut it. But these fried eggs with the gooey center look so appetizing. Just gotta try it. Delicious! This is exactly what I wanted. I wonder what this is. It looks really strange. It tastes really good. But still, I like plain old ordinary scrambled eggs the best.
Yeah!
Grandma, you won! Love ya! Grandma won! Grandma beat 'em all! In this round, you're gonna need to try to make me a delicious burger. Easy peasy. Oh, I don't know anything about burgers. I love burgers! I might end up eating this myself. It's time to start cooking. It's time for me to win. Hey, that's my tomato! You can't just take it away. My granddaughter's not gonna get just a delicious burger, but also a very healthy burger. Tomato, onions, cucumber. I won't need any of that meat. You know it's really bad for you. No worse than your cooking. The main thing is to cook with love. Then my healthy burger won't just be healthy, but also delicious. This is what I mean by healthy eating. None of your junk food. Even ghosts on a farm don't eat that much grass. I can't believe you're gonna give that to your granddaughter. What's a burger without an actual burger? It's the most important part. Then all you need is some cheese and sauce. I'm already drooling. Ah! Stupid onion! Who came up with the idea to put this on burgers anyways? Oh, come on! I can't cook anything! Don't be upset. Here, have a piece of chocolate. A chocolate bar. That's it! That's such a great idea! Why cook a regular burger when I can make it sweet and chocolatey? This is gonna turn out so cool! Just a little more chocolate left. Wow, this is gonna be the coolest chocolate burger you've ever seen! And the cherry on top of the cake is gonna be this chocolate syrup. Makes my burger look amazing! Wow! I've never seen a chocolate burger before! I think it's gonna be really tasty. This is amazing! Let's see what'll happen next. Hey, where's the patty? What am I? Some goat on a farm? It tastes too healthy. Burgers like this don't put me in a very good mood. Whoa, but this third one's a real contender. This burger looks way cooler. Yummy. Just the thing for a perfect lunch. Which burger should I choose? The sweet one? Or the hearty one? No, after all, I like sweet more. It's way more original. Woohoo! I won! What are we gonna cook this time? I want pancakes. I haven't had those in a while. Oh, I'll show you guys. You're gonna get it from me. I don't know how to make those. What should I do? Well, get started. My only chance is to watch everybody else cook. Apparently you gotta start with milk. And now it's time for the eggs. And now you have to add flour and mix it really well. I'm just saying, just in case, you forgot. Honey, I'm a grandma. I don't forget anything. And I don't need your electric devices. What should I do? Apparently all I have left is a fork. This is turning into some kind of disgusting porridge. Ted, watch and learn. Your grandma's pancakes are the most delicious. So beautiful. I think it'll be very tasty. Mary, what are you doing? I want my pancakes to look cool too. So maybe if they're bright colors, they'll leave a more lasting impression. Sorry to disappoint you, Grandma, but looks like you've already lost. And if I can make my pancakes into an unusual shape, well, then I'll be a genius. What should I do? I don't have anything ready at all! Maybe I should just dump this all onto the frying pan? Maybe that'll work? Kate, look how beautiful mine is. Try my pancakes instead. They're much tastier. Ah! It's on fire! What's that stink? I'm done too! All these pancakes look great! But first, I'll start with this beauty in the center. This girl looks like me! I've never seen a portrait of myself on a pancake before. And this pancake tastes incredible! But this little burnt lump doesn't look appetizing at all. I don't even think I'm gonna try it.
Not.
I guess all that's left is the pancake on the third plate. So yummy! This is definitely the most delicious pancake of them all. Well, Grandma, you've won! Hooray! I knew it! Oops, sorry. I'm gonna show you. Will you take that? No, you take that!
So small, I'm so sad. Molly. Just look at what I have. Oh my god! Hey, and what about me? I have the biggest one. Whoa, really? So small? Stop laughing at me! Aw, let's try it. It's comfortable to hold it in my mouth at least. It's very tasty. Haha, look at that. It's so funny. Are you out of your mind? What a child. Ah! Ouch! You bit me! Stop it! Are you crazy? Oh, my little finger. Well, but I've got a candy to calm me down. I can't bite it off. Ooh, I know what to do. I'm going to smash it. That's it! Yeah! And now I can just crunch it. It's so delicious. So good. And it's all mine. I love it. Amazing. Hey, get to your own. Oh, yeah. What should I do with it? Hammer? No, I'll take a sledgehammer.
Wow.
It's up to you how much effort you have to put in. It's so big. Finally broke. Come on. Go! Oh yeah, almost done. And some more. And it's over. Perfect. Ooh, yummy. So good. Girls, fly in. Yum. Ooh, yeah, catching up. Yum, yum. Oh, what a cute shark. Pretty. Wow. My shark is a huge predator here. Wow. Whoa. My huge shark. Such a cool one. Cool. But girls, I'm going to start. Okay. I'm trying. Ooh, delicious. But not enough. It's your turn, Chloe. Oh, yes. How to bite it off. Oh, come on. What should I do? Oh, I can't bite it off. Okay. Do you have any suggestions? Can you help me? Okay, pull. Almost. Woo! Uh-oh. Sorry. But I at least got this half, so I'll start with it. Yum yum. So good. Oh, I think I'm fine. Ooh, marmalade. Hey! Please, let me take a bite. No, it's all mine. Thank you for helping, though. Aw, pretty. Okay, your turn. Okay. Let me see. It's too rubbery, but I know what to do. I took karate lessons. So now, with the help of 2 blades, I'm going to cut everything into small pieces. Whoa, so impressive. Kia! Perfect. Almost done. And just like that, my marmalade turned into marmalade sushi. Now, I'm going to flip them. Up. And again. And again. Just like that. And right into my mouth. So interesting, so funny, and so delicious. I'm done. Bravo! It was impressive! Thank you. What a small portion. It's so hot. I've got an average size, but it's twice as spicy. Whoa! What a nightmare. I agree. I don't want to eat that. Ah! Woo! Such a small package. You start. Oh, me? Okay. I'm really glad it's such a small package. I don't want to try any spicy noodles. I guess they're okay. Oh no. There's smoke coming out of my mouth. Oh, that was close. It's your turn. Really? But I don't want to do it. Okay, I've got an idea. I'm going to be right here to take you off. Okay, thank you. Let's do it. Oh, no. So hot already. Oh, no. Oh, cooled me off right away. Thank you. Well, now it's your turn. I'm here to help. Okay, well, let's start. Wait, what are you doing? Very suspicious. Hey, I caught you. Stop doing that. I didn't eat anything yet. Okay, let me first eat and then cool me off. Ooh, yeah, so delicious. I love it. But they're also very hot, so I need to eat as fast as possible not to feel it. Oh no, it's coming up! It's coming up! Hey, Chloe! I hear ya! Don't do anything! No, do it! Ah! She said don't do anything. Hey, I don't think it's for that case. Come on, she doesn't need my help. I'm fine, I think. Really? Now? You should have done that a while ago. You told me you would help me, but thanks anyway. Yeah. I'm such a good girl. Such a helper. Oh, what a tiny pack of Hooba Booba. What is that? Ooh. Yeah, I've got an average size. Love it so much. Whoa, what is that? Oh, yeah. This is my baby. Look at that. Such a huge package. Yeah, but such a small one right here. Come on, Chloe, eat up. Okay, fine. Stop laughing at me. Oh, look at that small roll. I need to get it out and chew. Maybe I can even blow a bubble. Oh, look at the tiny one. I don't really see anything. Fine. Let me get you a magnifying glass. See? Yeah, I see it, but it's like extra tiny. That's hilarious. Whew. Well, let me try my Hooba Booba. Yeah. Yummy stuff in my mouth. And I'm going to blow a bubble as well. Watch and learn. See? That's a bubble. Aww. No, girls. Now me. And I'm going to blow the biggest bubble of all. With this roll of gum, I can do anything. So yummy and sweet. I love my gum. Okay, some more. Oh, it's so tasty. Just an explosion of taste. I take one more piece. And another one. Ooh, so good. And roll it like that. Cool, I've got a little roll here. So good. And the last piece. Whew. Here it is. Now watch and learn, girls. The huge bubble. Whoa. That is very big. You should stop.